John Lee here, and welcome to the Racing Line TV. And it's a Monday, which means it's time for the Racing Line Classics. And right now we are going to feature the 2014 Jet Sport Association of Davao Jet Ski Race in Samal Island. Enjoy! Moving on with the race, this is the open class category, and here we go. Wow, sure indeed the open class. Look at the speed of that one, taking the whole shot here. Oh, look at that one. That is Buhisan, followed by Elnar, Yannick Elnar. Wow, side by side. Oh, that was Yannick Elnar, I think. And oh, Yannick Elnar was the one who got the first full shot, but Buhisan was able to take it back. There we go. This is the open class. As you can see, the ski are a lot faster. We have 6 riders on the track. There we go. That is a classification right now in the opening stages of the race. Buhisan is leading this one. Elnar is in second, and Arquiza is in third. Look at that one. This is the open class of your first Jet Sports Association jet ski racing competition. And would like to thank Phoenix Petroleum Philippines. Of course, we also would like to thank Phoenix Lubricants, Phoenix Axler Vega, our sponsors, partners for this one. There we go. Buhisan, Elnar, Arquiza, Galvez, Larazabal, and the younger brother Buhisan is also on the track. 1 lap down so far. Buhisan is leading this one. Buhisan is from General Santos City. This is the open class category. There we go. And of course, we are right here at Sunset Beach Resort in Samal Island. And also would like to thank Sunset Beach Resort for hosting this one. There we go. That's a classification right now after 2 laps. No changes, I think. We hope that next year you'll also be hosting this race again. We have some few changes here on the track. Arquiza slide down to 4th. Larazabal was able to take on Arquiza. There we go. Oh, Arquiza slide down to 6th. Larazabal went up to 3rd. And last lap for the open category or the open class. There we go. As Buhisan takes on the win here. It was indeed a good race for the Buhisan brothers. Of course, coming in from General Santos City. Thank you so much for competing, for racing with us. We hope to see you again next year. A few more turns for Buhisan. This is the first Jet Sports Association of Davao jet ski competition as Buhisan takes on the checker flag for the open class, and that is the classification right now. Coming in second is Elnar, and third is Larazabal.